हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो इन लास्ट वीक मार्केट एनालिसिस वीडियो दिस वन हमने निफ्टी का एनालिसिस किया था एंड वी हैव फाउंड आउट सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल एंड वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग मार्केट टू स्टे रेंज बाउंड नेक्स्ट वीक एज वेल. So support was at around 15,630 and resistance was at around 15,900, 915. And as you can see here, market had touched had went around 18 15,850 and फिर वापस से एक छोटा सा करेक्शन दिखाया था. एंड ये जो बड़ा विक्स देख रहे हैं इसमें ये वेंट बिलो 15,600 एंड वापस से बाउंस बैक किया मार्केट ने. सो बेसिकली दिस लेवल इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट एंड जब तक उसके नीचे क्लोज नहीं देता तब तक वी शुडंट वरी अबाउट अ शॉर्ट टर्म पोजीशन एज वेल. सो अभी मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा चेंज हो गया एंड वी हैव इनिशिएटेड डिमांड एंड सप्लाई जोन फॉर निफ्टी नाउ. एंड जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 15,900 टू 970, 950 इज द सप्लाई जोन फॉर निफ्टी एंड 15,450 टू 580 is the demand zone. If and the strategy one can use in this consolidation phase can be one can add stocks near when Nifty is near this particular level. जब भी डिमांड जोन के आसपास रहेगा तब स्टॉक्स बाय कर सकते हैं. व्हेन सप्लाई जोन के आसपास रहेगा तभी स्टॉक्स को सेल कर सकते हैं इन शॉर्ट टर्म. So this can be a swing trade for a short-term trader, and then a directional trader can wait for a breakout about this supply zone, which is above 15,950, and उसके ऊपर close किया, then short-term, then a trader can go long in market, and if demand zone के नीचे close किया, if it breaks below demand zone, which is 15,450, then one has to be cautious in market for short term. Then we can probably see lower levels as well. So this is about Nifty, and in between you can always trade buy near demand zone and sell it near supply zone. This is a common strategy that one trader can use, and we are also using it as of now. So let's start with the Bank Nifty analysis now. So Bank Nifty also has similar structure. It is consolidating in this particular range for around 2 months, and the demand zone is 33,900, 34,100, and supply zone is 35,800 to 36,000. And one can use similar strategy that we have discussed in Nifty, buy near demand zone and sell near supply zone, especially the banking stocks that are listed. And other than this, if Bank Nifty gives a close above the supply zone, which is 36,000, then we can see higher levels and probably all-time high levels in Bank Nifty as well. And अगर Bank Nifty 33,900 के नीचे close करता है, then we can see a short-term correction or small dip in market in Bank Nifty as well. So this is about Bank Nifty. So if you have learned anything as of now, so you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel. So now, before going to the stock analysis, I have just want to give a brief review about हमने कौन सा stock select किया for next week, and one stock is such that it had given a breakout above all-time high, and वो अभी retest कर रहा है breakout region को, and that stock can deliver around 70% to 80% return in for short term or in for investment as well. So let's start with the stock analysis. So the first stock is Sun TV Networks. So this is a daily time frame chart, and the stock follows cup and handle pattern very often. So यहाँ पे भी एक cup and handle pattern से इसने breakout दिया था. It ये fake breakout था. Then it went in correction for dip देके it again went up. So अभी जैसे यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि इसने यहाँ पे भी again cup and handle pattern form किया है. And on Friday itself it had given a breakout with good volumes, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो. And cup and handle pattern is formed जब भी कोई stock is in uptrend. So यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो कि stock is in uptrend and forming higher lows in on daily time frame. So all the necessity condition for cup and handle pattern is satisfied here. And अभी ये breakout यहाँ पे दिया है, and we don't know कि ये fake breakout होगा या real breakout होगा. We don't even know. बस हमको इतना मालूम है कि हमारे पास stop loss है stock के लिए, and we can exit our position if stop loss is hit. So only one thing is certain in this market, and that is stop loss getting hit. We don't know how much time it will take for target to hit, and whether a target will hit or not. So we will follow a simple trading plan in this. One can buy near 579. Stop loss will be 525, and target will be 692 in Sun TV Networks. And this will be a short-term trade for a swing trader or a positional trader. And how I got this particular target is on the basis of range calculation. This was the high and this was the low. So I will plot a rectangle and अभी इसको मैं सीधा above resistance add करके I will get the target. So ये जो target है 692 I got from this particular range calculation method. So this is about Sun TV short term trade. So let's start with the next important stock, which is Indoco Remedies. So अभी आई एम जस्ट इसको मैं छोटा कर रहा हूँ चार्ट को, सो दैट यू कैन सी. सो दिस वाज द ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल फॉर इंडोगो. यहाँ से उसने करेक्शन दिखाया एंड इट वेंट इन करेक्शन. सो यहाँ से अराउंड 4110 4112 से इट वेंट टू 131 एंड अभी वापस से ये इट हैड ब्रोक अबाउट दिस ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं वॉल्यूम्स एंड यहाँ पे भी वॉल्यूम्स अच्छे हैं. एंड नाउ इट इज रीटेस्टिंग दिस ब्रेकआउट रीजन, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक हैमर बना है नियर दिस ब्रेकआउट, पहले के ब्रेकआउट रीजन पे. So this shows कि यहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा डिमांड है for this particular stock and buyers are buying this particular stock and probably we can see higher level in this particular stock. Other than this, if we check the downtrend and the strength in this particular stock, so I will just see number of days the stock was in downtrend. So this was the candle, last candle when it made a low. So it is around 1596 days or 228 bars. And now I will calculate the uptrend number of days. So from this day it had given, it broke, so it is 623 days or 89 bars, which is less than the downtrend wala din. So because this uptrend is covered in almost a half time or half or one third time. So this means that bulls are strong in this particular stock, and यहाँ से one can use this opportunity to buy this particular stock for investment and on dips particularly. And the trading plan I am just zooming it, so as you can see यहाँ पे वो retest कर रहा है and volumes भी बहुत less है. So stock is giving a decent opportunity to buyers and investor currently. So the trading plan will be buying can be done at 449. Sorry, I am just, which is CMP. Target will be 700 and stop loss will be 350 in this particular case. So 350, I have got the stop loss at this particular low, which is 368. I have rounded it off to 350 because this is an investment bet. So we have decent risk reward, which is around 250 points gain and 100 points risk, which is 1.1 is to 2.5 risk reward, which is good for a investor or positional trader. And coming to the target, हमने टारगेट अगेन वही सेम मेथड से कैलकुलेट किया था, विच वाज द रेंज कैलकुलेशन, दिस हाई दिस लो, एंड वी हैव एडेड ये वाला रेंज अबाउट दिस रेजिस्टेंस लाइन एंड वी हैव गॉट द टारगेट एज 704 or 700. So this is about Indogo Remedies, and this is a positional trade, which means it can be, the holding period will be more than 6 months probably. So in this we will have to do a fundamental check of this company, because we don't want to hold a bad company, because even if it is giving a breakout and everything, because a trader will get trapped if a company is bad in this particular case. So let's check the fundamentals of the company. So I'm open the screener, and so the market cap is around 4150 crores. The PE is 44.5. Current price is 450 and book value is 83, which means price to book is around 5. If we check a profit and loss, then sales जो है वो increase हो रहा है year on year. यहाँ पे उसने dip दिखाया था and again it went above. अभी यहाँ पे जैसे मार्च में देख रहे हैं it is rising again. अगर हम नेट प्रॉफिट देखें तो नेट प्रॉफिट में भी यहाँ पे वो डिक्रीज हुआ एंड अगेन इट वेंट अप. सो ये जो नेट प्रॉफिट है इट इज हायर देन ऑल द प्रीवियस नेट प्रॉफिट. सो यहाँ पे कंपनी का ग्रोथ इज गुड. ऑल्सो द कंपनी इज पेइंग डिविडेंड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट I would say 2005 to 2021. So company is regularly paying dividend as well to the investor, which is a good sign for the company. अगर हम बैलेंस शीट देखें तो कंपनी का रिजर्व जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है ईयर ऑन ईयर, एंड जो बोरोइंग से इट इज रिड्यूसिंग. यहाँ पे 296 का पीक था एंड नाउ इट इज रिड्यूसिंग ग्रेजुअली, अभी 213 है. इफ यू चेक ओवरऑल देन रिजर्व्स इज मोर देन बोरोइंग्स एंड इट इज ऑलमोस्ट वन, बहुत ज्यादा है बोरोइंग्स के, ऑलमोस्ट 3x 3.5x है बोरोइंग्स के. सो दिस इज मीन्स अ कंपनी इज फंडामेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग. अभी हम इन्वेस्टर्स का देखेंगे तो इसमें प्रोमोटर्स की होल्डिंग इज डिक्रीजिंग ग्रेजुअली, बहुत कम डिक्रीज हुआ है. इट इज जस्ट 0.3% रिडक्शन इन प्रमोटर होल्डिंग फ्रॉम September 18 टू June 21. एंड एफआईस की देखिए तो एफआईस की भी होल्डिंग्स थोड़ी सी इंक्रीज हुए, विच इज रफली 0.17%. तो फ्रॉम 2.12% इट इज 2.29%. बट अभी हम यहाँ पे डीआईस की देखेंगे तो डीआई हैव इंक्रीज देयर होल्डिंग फ्रॉम 12%, 12.85 टू 19.23%, which is a good rise in DI's holding. So this is about the shareholding pattern, and if we check the promoter pledging in this particular stock, so there is no pledging in this particular stock, and promoter holding is more than 50% as well. So this means the company is fundamentally good, and also the net profit is increasing. यहाँ पे जो rate of change है, it is more, and reserves is more than borrowings. And also on technical chart, it is giving an opportunity to traders and investors for their investment opportunity, and the stock is giving and almost if one would say the returns, then probably the returns would be around 64-65%, or I would say 70% if one gets an opportunity to add near this particular support line, which is breakout region, which is 412. So add this particular stock on dips if you get an opportunity and also hold this particular stock if you find the setup very useful. Also, if you have learned anything from this video, and if you have helped this video have helped anything, then you in your analysis, then you can like this video. Also share this channel and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos in the future. Also there is also you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. These are the IDs where I'm sharing a market update regular daily. And also there is a disclaimer. Thank you guys.